Hey, it's working this time. I tried to come back. Um, what I know I only get like you know 300 or 400 of you guys that are still around from the back in the day. Um, what was my point about coming back here? Uh, the hell would I just had a whole thought. What up, homies? Oh, I don't know. You know what the point of today was? Today was one of the most extraordinary trading days in the world. And I got to tell you something. I was wrong about everything. When we started to roll over, I thought it was going to get worse. When it started to get better, I thought it was going to roll over. Then when it got better, I thought it was going to get better, and then it got worse. And then it got worse. I thought it was going to get better, and then it got better, and then it got worse. But all the time, I ignored what I thought, and I just traded VWAP. So when the market broke out this afternoon and UVXY tanked, I'm in, and I shorted BTU and rig, and then we flipped around and we started going the other way. And I didn't. Nobody can make their decision that quickly, but then it rolled over and it's breaking back under the VWAP. So I was like, okay, I guess we're not going to. I thought for sure because there's something on the chart. I wish I could just flip to the charts, but that's why you got to come to the site. We got over the 1 minute VWAP, which is today. We made it over yesterday's VWAP, which is super bullish if you get over the prior day VWAP, and then we pulled back and we held the prior day VWAP. That's super bullish. And then we rallied again to the next day's VWAP. And then we almost made it to 3 days worth of VWAP, and still we rolled over and gave it all back. You can't be more bearish than this. This is just a question of supply. Nobody wants to own stocks. There's no in between. The market cues. For what it did today, tremendous reason to buy, great reason to buy. You sell into the move. I mean, I'm not on the wrong side of the trade because I just trade VWAP. But if I was using my brain and I was using what I normally do, there's no way I was thinking this market was going to roll over again today. I thought that was it. We capitulated. Here comes the rally. We'll hang in there. We'll rally. We'll consolidate. And we'll probably close strong. We gave the whole thing back. It's freaking awesome. It's the greatest trading ever. But the best part about it, and the sickest part about it, is that you get to do the same trade over and over and over and over and over again. I hope this market never changes. I hope it's this for the rest of our lives. You give me a day like this every day, I just trade VWAP. Yeah, I traded. Oh, you don't even. I just imagine you're always looking what I'm looking at. I'm looking at my chart. But what was my point? Oh, I was looking at Stitch Fix. I had no idea where some of these stocks were. Stitch Fix is $9. I mean, I was joking around when it was in the hundreds how this stock can't be worth $100. It's probably worth, it's probably going to go back to 80 at least. And if it breaks 80, you go back to 50. Oh, and the joke was they sell clothes online. That's not disruptive. There's no reason this should be $100 stock. They sell clothes on the internet. Whoa. This was a typical pets.com trade, just like Zoom and Peloton. And, again, me living through that crash, that's why I couldn't understand why everybody was so excited about Kathy Wood's portfolio. It was all momentum stocks, overpriced momentum stocks that already had gone up tenfold. Your stock's up 1,000% in 18 months. What more do you want? Where else you gonna go but down? You know, I don't know why it seemed so logical to me. I'm just an ordinary schmuck. Yeah, I've got plenty of experience, but why was I? It was me and like a handful of people saying this market is not good in February. There was a stealth bear market going on in February, March, April, May, and June. What's the move tomorrow? I want an exact replica of today every day for the rest of my life. Seriously, that's all I want. Give me these past 2 weeks, except for me over trading and blowing myself out. And again, I fucked the day up yesterday. I traded 80,000 shares of NINE. Not one winning trade, except the one I did in the morning on the first move. I traded 80,000 shares of the stock and just churned myself out of $3,000. And on Friday, I did the same stupid ass shit by trying to short BTU. And what's sad about it is that both trades turned out to be monster winners basically as soon as I got out. So it happens to everybody. And man, did I screw up those 2 days. I never lose $3,000. I haven't lost $3,000 in a day. I couldn't tell you. I couldn't tell you the last time I lost $3,000 day trading. Just getting smoked. 400, 500, 400. It adds up quick when you're trading and you're losing $300 and $400 on every trade you do. You do 4 or 5, and the thing is, it was all afternoon trading, all makeup kind of trades. I call it the Monday night football trading. You get fucked up on Sunday. What do you try to do? You try to make it all back on Monday night football. You're a degenerate gambler. That's what I did yesterday and Friday. But I'll give you a couple of trades. BMBL, looking to short it. If it's over 20 tomorrow, I don't think we're going to get the chance. BMBL, pop to 2075, already a short. The short was basically $20.05. It just went down $1. We'll see if this bumbles over $20 tomorrow. If it flirts between 20 and 20.75 again, I'll probably look to play that. But here's the sick part: Stitch Fix at $9. I gotta like it, man. I have to give this I have to watch this stock for a possible buy now. The stock was 120. It's at $8. Somebody's going to cover their short tomorrow, and I hope they do. And I hope this thing just, again, 875, get me 10. That's my day. I'm all about that trade tomorrow. Figs, FIGS. Don't know too much about this. Monster pop in the aftermarket, coming off 52-week lows. FIGS on the list. BMBL, SFIX, and Figs, obviously BTU. We absolutely lit the world up on Clove today. Got paid on the options and the stock. And that's it. And then I'm hitting the road. I'm going to be out of town. So when the market's volatile and I'm out of town, crazy stuff happens. So something crazy is going to happen in the next 10 days, whether it be a rip your face off rally or a complete annihilation. I still think the Qs are going down 22 more points. So I think we're going to see 297 on the Qs, and then we'll talk. But I got a couple of price targets that have already been hit. Spotify. What's this thing doing at 125? I didn't buy it yet. October, $100 puts on Spotify are $9, right? Spotify goes down another 20 or so points. It's all-time lows, which is around 103, 105. If Spotify's 100 and something, like 105, 107, within the next couple of weeks, those October $100 puts are going to be like 20 or 30 bucks. I'm selling those. So I'm going to sell $100 puts on Spotify if I can get it for like 20, 25 bucks, which makes your cost average $75 on Spotify. I'll buy Spotify at 75 bucks. All right. I'll make a stand. Spotify at 75, I'm in. Just like AMD today. My kid bought it today. AMD at $100, coming off 100. My boy got it. He made some money today. But Stitch Fix, you're kind of bouncing right now. I just love this market, man. Bag of weed. What do I got in the house lately? I got some good weed. Know what else I got? I didn't see the shaman this week, but he left something behind. Whoa! I got a collection of these guys. One day, when I got nothing to do and I got some time. Because the edibles ain't kicking it. They ain't working for me no more, man. Yeah, I got I had a slight headache. Voided it out. I need to be feeling lovely going into a trip, you know. I was feeling a little off, so I didn't do it. I did take 100 milligrams of edibles. Anybody want this? Anybody want a chocolate bar? This shit doesn't work. Anyway, if you see this brand, I told you once before, they're like fakeables. They work sometimes, they don't work. I think it's just a bad mix. You know, you'll eat one piece, you're like, hey, this is good. And you eat 3 more and you get nothing. I don't get it. But I think I'm just a pothead. It's probably a big part of it. Been smoking weed my whole life since I was a kid. I'm giving it a break this week, so you'll watch. You'll see. Watch. I'm not smoking weed this week because I'm going to Vegas next week. I want to clean myself out for a week or so. You'll start to see my speech actually improves. I smoke too much pot. Yeah, brother. I know. VWAP's the shit, right? So good. Just keeps you on the right side of the trade. It really is. Where am I from? I'm from Brooklyn. What's up? Yeah, I haven't gone 30 days without weed since 1991. I have not gone 30 days without smoking weed since I took my Series 7 because I was so nervous. I wanted to clean my brain out. I have not gone 30 days. I don't think I'm ever going to go 30 days, but I'm going to try when I come. I think when I come back from Vegas, I'm going to try to go 30 days. I have not gone 30 days in quite some time. Because why? Why go 30 days, right? You know why 30 days? Because supposedly 31, 32 days, it's actually finally out of your body. So basically, there really hasn't been a moment where there isn't some weed floating through my bloodstream. Yeah, whatever. I do 2 bong hits every night. Watch some TV. By the way, Reacher was great. I liked it. My wife didn't like it. I was digging Reacher. Oh, spoken like a true pothead. When you stop smoking weed, you're in a freaking another dimension in your dreams. Oh, I was hanging out with Reacher. We were killing people. Oh, we were stomping on people. Oh, the best. You know it. You're a real pothead. Oh, the best. Those first 2 nights, you're like, what the hell? I don't want to wake up. I'm in like a fantasy world. Oh, it's so good. It's so true. It is so true. Something about it, man. You definitely know what you're talking about. That's funny. All right, I gotta go. But yeah, if anybody's gonna be in Vegas, I'll be at the Venetian Saturday. I'll be there all day, all night, watching the tournament. We probably won't even leave. My friend's gonna be buying everybody drinks. He's very rich. He gambles. He buys the whole fucking place drinks. It's awesome. So we just sit there and we just go nuts in the Venetian. So I'll see you there next Saturday. When am I going? It's coming up soon, right? I'm leaving Wednesday. Yeah, I'll be there. I'll be there Thursday, Friday, Saturday, but Saturday's the only day I'll probably be able to escape my wife. Huh? What? All right. See you in cyberspace. Later, everybody. Good luck. See you tomorrow.